Guys, and welcome back to THNX 24. As promised, I'm back. And now, as you can see, the screen is kind of weird, but it's not weird. I am in the BIOS. Full form of BIOS. I think it's built-in operating system. Yeah, it's built-in operating system. Here, now to get into BIOS, it differs in every PC. Like the PC is booting up, you get some written text from this side and all stuff, but there just search, you might get the key pressing key to get into BIOS. Now here, to get into BIOS you must have to search for one thing. It can be even in advanced features, advanced chipset features, or integrated peripherals. Now in my case it's in integrated peripherals. Yeah, even the BIOS screen can differ. Yeah, forgot to say that. Okay, after going to integrated peripherals, scroll down and you can see USB 1 controller, USB 2 controller, USB 3 is used for keyboard, 4 is used for mouse, and USB storage function. Now in USB storage function, as soon as the USB storage function is highlighted, hit enter. Enter. Then just change the dot as you want. Disable. Voila. Disabled. Okay, there you go. The USB storage function is disabled. Yeah, and even now, to get out of the BIOS, you must have to just press escape. Just press Y and escape. Oh, sorry. Y and enter. Over. It just boots up again as usual. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment all your questions. See ya.